everybody. As you all know, I am Beauty Style Mama and this is my YouTube channel in which I'll do and recreate my makeup looks and do the review of skincare and makeup products which I really love. So today I create this look for Valentine's Day, and Valentine's Day is very near. This is the look which you can do in any light occasions, like any occasions like party or anything, but this look I created for the day look, and it's very soft and it's very easy and a very nice look. As you all see, it's very subtle and it's a very natural kind of light makeup for the day. So because I want to spend my time with my husband, daytime, a quality daytime on Valentine's Day, so I create this look for him. So after that I just mute my voice on my channel, and you can see I create the look because of, as you all know, I am living in a construction site and it's very noisy. So let's jump into the like my this video, I just want to do a short video only on the eye look because it's going to be very long. And in my previous videos I tried to teach you how to create this flawless makeup look. If you are interested, let me know in the comment. I will do that video separately, how you do your foundation like flawlessly like me. And I hope you all like this video also like the previous one. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share with your family and friends. I hope you all like my this video also. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give thumbs up. Bye.